As students at Arcola, we decided to find out what's so cool about manufacturing with a local manufacturer, Interprod. Manufacturing is an important part of our country's workforce, so we decided to ask people in the field what they think is so cool about manufacturing.
I like manufacturing because there's not one way to do it. There's a million of different ways to do things, even just with design.
Getting to see a product being made from all the little bolts to the final device, I think that's really cool to see all that.
On it and build stuff, I'm building things that are going on in the field, going to hospitals, saving people's lives.
We design a product and it starts all right here, and then everything from the ground up, and then once you see it out, in the world, even like in Europe, across the world, it's pretty cool. But yeah, it's always a lot of fun.
My name is Suzanne Smethers, and I'm the president and founder of Interprod. I think manufacturing is so cool here at Interprod because we enhance and save lives every day by the products that we manufacture here, and that is awesome.
From these amazing people, we see what they mean and why their jobs are so cool. From putting together something big from small pieces, to being creative and even helping people. This is why manufacturing is so cool.